Okay, the question is, consider the following circuit. In above TTL circuit, S2 to S0 are select line. Here S2, S1 and S0 are select line, and X7 to X0 are input line, X0 to X7 are input line, and S0 and X0 are LSB. What is the output Y? 8J1 multiplexer is given with 8 input X0 to X7 and single output Y. We need to determine Y here. 8J1 multiplexer, there is a one active low enable line, and active low enable line is connected to 0. So this 8J1 multiplexer is enable because it is active low enable is provided with 0 as an input, and that 0 is also connected to X7, X4, X2 and X1, and other input X1, X3, X5 and X6 are connected to 1. So first let's write down output Y of this 8J1 multiplexer. So output Y will be depend on different value of select line. So S2 bar, S1 bar, S0 bar will be multiplied with first input X0 plus S2 bar, S1 bar, S0 into X1 plus S2 bar, S1, S0 bar, X2 plus S2 bar, S1, S0, X3 plus S2, S1 bar, S0 bar, X4 plus S2 into S1 bar, S0 into X5 plus S2, S1, S0 bar into X6 plus S2, S1, S0 into X7. One at only 4 input X0, X3, X5 and X6, and other are connected to 0. So we will put a 1 at those 4 variables X0, X3, X5 and X6, and other we will replace with 0. So all term which are multiplying with 0 will be vanished from our Boolean equation, and we are end up with only 4 term in Boolean equation. So now we will all these 4 term only depend on S2, S1 and S0 value. Now we will put S2, S1 and S0's value. So S2 is a connected to output of this OR gate, and input of this OR gate is a C and D. So S2 will be output of this OR gate, which is C plus D, and B is directly connected to S1. So S1 will be B, and A is directly connected to S0. So S0 will be A. Now we will put all of this value of S2, S1 and S0 into this Boolean equation. So S2 is a C OR with D whole bar, because S2 bar here, into B bar into A bar plus C OR with D whole bar into BA plus C OR with D into B bar A plus C OR with D into B into A bar. In first two term we can take common C OR D whole bar, and in last two term we can take common C OR with D. With taking common out C OR with D whole bar, we will get in second small bracket B bar into A bar plus BA, and in last two term we will get in second small bracket B bar into A plus B into A bar. Now here B bar into A plus BA is nothing but XNOR operation of A XNOR with B, and B bar A plus BA bar is nothing but A XOR operation with B. So we will replace with A XNOR B and A XOR B. For two input XOR and XNOR gate are complement of each other. So we can write here A XNOR with B to A XOR B whole bar. So here we can see it is something like P bar into Q bar plus P and Q, which can be written as P XNOR with Q. So we can here written as C OR with D in first bracket, XNOR with A XOR with B. So our answer for Y will be C OR with D, which is XNOR with second bracket A XOR with B. Answer we find is a Y is equal to C plus D XNOR with in second small bracket A XOR with B. Doesn't match with our given option. So option A, indeterminable, is the answer, but in this question they make a mistake, because indeterminable is not a particular answer for this question, because we find simplified answer here. They should given this option as a none of the above or something else, but indeterminable only applicable when they don't provide proper input to this 8J1 multiplexer, but in this question they provide proper input, here 1 and here this second input as a 0. So we can determine output of this multiplexer, but does not match with this given all 4 option. So option A is a right answer for this question.